The landscape is changing for tech-enabled firms. We're all using more and more cloud services, and they're going deeper and deeper into our organisations. Cloud is now essential, not just useful. Change and opportunity is everywhere, and your teams are going flat out, bringing new systems to life and deploying them. But faced with evolving customer requirements, new services and technologies, and a shifting work and business environment, many firms are presented with a dilemma as they work out where they should be heading, and especially how they maintain choice, flexibility and agility so they can successfully navigate the future. So how do these business pressures manifest themselves on a day-to-day basis and increase the need for organisations to maintain their cloud independence?
There are three things really driving the use of cloud and how companies, tech-enabled companies, respond to that. On the one hand, the technology requirement is getting more and more rich all the time. Bots, AI, data, analytics, all sorts of things are driving that technology more and more rich. Secondly, there are lots of options emerging all over the place. Lots of niche services that can meet some of these specific requirements, add extra functionality. And lastly, at the end of the day, the technology ought to be the servant of the business. It ought to be best fitting around the aspirations and objectives of the business. So looking at all of that, trying to bring that together, trying to make the most out of all of the options available and get the best fit, that needs an independent view that begins driven by the objectives of the customer, of the business itself, rather than approaching it as a reseller would, saying, I've got these products and they're right for you. Really, a business decision maker wants to be as free, have his choice as open as possible. That's where every business decision maker starts from. And if your technologists are saying we only use this brand, then actually you're constrained to start with. You're constrained by the services they offer, the way they offer them, the way they may change them over time, and the way they charge you for those services. Now, they may start out to be perfect for what you need, but who knows how that might change over time. We see cloud independence is a liberation more than anything. It's freedom to make the choices as and when you want, in whatever way you want. Now, you may choose to stay with this particular brand, terrific. But if you find that there's something else better, or more troublingly, those services from your favorite brand and the way they're charged is no longer suitable, that's difficult.
This is where the new category of independent cloud integrators, like Flexion MSP, can contribute real value. Our skills lie in helping cloud-using, tech-enabled firms to identify the right mix of cloud services needed to meet the objectives of the business, and then integrating those as a single infrastructure, delivering and managing it so that the teams in the business can concentrate on the business. If freedom of choice and cloud independence is important to your organisation and its ability to remain flexible and agile, then why not get in touch and find out more about how we may be able to help you.